Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find our phone information in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for our phone info, we have to go to settings, then we need to scroll all the way down, and here we have about phone menu. And here it is. Our phone number will be here. Of course, we have our names, models, serials, IMEI numbers, etc. etc. Everything is under this little menu here. Some more information is here. For example, our storage, our memory, and these are basic informations about our phone. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.